Alright, I'm going to do a quick video showing you guys how to use this website over here. The name of the website is CoinMarketCap, and I'm also going to show you guys how to use this website to be able to find coins that will be going up, and obviously whether or not coins will be going down using patterns. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly give you guys a rundown on how this website works, what to look for, and we can go from there. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick. So this is the website we're looking at here. Now the name of the website is coinmarketcap.com, and this is what it looks like. Now this is one of the best tools to use at the moment, just because it's very easy to understand and it has all the right information that you're looking for. So I'm just going to quickly go over here. So this section here is called trending. This is just the coins that are trending at the moment. So maybe through social media, people are talking about these coins. They're going up or down. And now across here now is the biggest gainers. Now this is a very important section because coins that are moving up rapidly will be on here, and obviously you can click more and then all the coins that are moving up rapidly, everything's in the green, will be on here. Now this is a very important section, and because I will explain a little later. However, if you get in early, you can make some really good money with these coins. Now for example, this coin here, 140% of an increase in the last 24 hours. If you went in at a 70% increase, you would have made that remainder, which was, almost 80% extra. However, the trick is checking your graphs almost daily, so you can get into these coins ASAP before they reach their peak, because most of the time, once they're at this stage, they've already reached their peak and you won't be able to make any extra money on these. Now, if we go back really quickly, we'll keep going here. Here's recently added. Now, you wouldn't want to worry about these too much. Usually there is hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of coins that get added here daily. You wouldn't want to worry about that too much. More importantly, you'd want to worry about these. And even more importantly, the coins that are down here. Now, these are the main coins that you will be using. Now, all the coins here are in order of strongest. Obviously, the ones with the most, obviously, customers, and then moving down here to less stronger ones. However, everything on this page, even if you scroll down to, 35, 40, 50, all of these are very good coins. Now, however, the trick is obviously knowing which coin to buy, which coin to sell. Now, to do that, we're going to be looking down here, and we're going to be looking at this obviously cheat sheet. So this is a little bit of a document that is going to give you guys a quick guide on what to look for in these graphs to be able to identify what to buy, and when to sell. Now, just a quick rundown here. So as we can obviously see here, this is just a falling wedge pattern. Now, if we see this in a graph, we're going to know just from this, obviously just from this cheat sheet, we're going to know that the pattern stops here. We should enter somewhere around here, and we should only sell when it hits our target, which is all the way up here. Now, obviously there is many patterns, but these are the main ones that we will be looking for. And obviously the main ones that will be telling us what to buy and when to buy it. Now we're going to move back to CoinMarketCap now, and we're going to scroll down and have a look at what's going on with these coins. Now, if we have a look here, it says the price of the coin, the gain or loss in the last 24 hours, the gain or loss in the last 7 days. Now, these are the most important, obviously, pieces of information that we're looking for, as well as all the way on the right-hand side, we have the graphs of the last 7 days. Now, let's scroll down, see what kind of coins we have at the moment that are doing well. So if we keep scrolling down, obviously, there are quite a few coins that have gone down at the moment, but that's no worries. Like I would say, you only lose money if you sell in the red. Always hold on to it because it'll always boost back up. Now let's have a look at a coin that is doing well in both green. USDC coin doesn't really move up too much. It's usually at $1. Let's have a look at Luna. Now, Luna did really well recently. So I actually told a lot of my students to purchase this one when it was a lot lower a couple of days ago. It went up by almost 8-9%. So really happy with how this one has traveled. And obviously, once you click it, you can scroll down and you get yourself this all-important graph. Now, you want to get yourself very familiar with these graphs. Obviously, personally, I always set it to 7 days. So here's your calendar. So the last day, the last 7 days, the last month. Now, as you can see here, the coin is all in the green because it has been rising even in the last month or so. However, as you can see here, it's gone up. It peaked here at about $87 and then went back down to about 75, and now it's slowly starting to peak and it's gone back down again. Now, this is where you start to think, well, a coin like this is a very strong coin, and it has reached much higher than this, and the market was recently down. Let's look for a pattern to see if this is going to continue going up in the future or down. So we refer back to our cheat sheet, and we can see obviously the different patterns that we have here, and we can see which pattern suits this the most. Now, I would have a look here at the top left-hand corner, and we can see that the double top here is so it's almost like a scar. Now, we go back to here, and we can see that it's gone up, down, up, down, up, down. So there's a bit of a pattern going on here. Now, what do we notice from there is that after it goes up, it usually goes down. And once it hits around the 76 mark, it usually goes up. So as we can see here, it hit the 76 mark and then went back up. And then went back all the way down here, hit the 76 mark and went back up. So over here, we can see that it's moving back down again. What do we think is going to happen? It's going to hit that 76 mark and then boost back up. Now, what do we need to be doing is we need to be buying this obviously at that 76 mark, which is called the apex, obviously a turning point for the coin. And we know from our patterns and from our cheat sheet that this coin is going to boost back up. So with a coin like Luna, I would suggest to either buy now or buy when it goes a little bit lower and watch it go back up. Now, this spike upwards can happen not today, could happen tomorrow, could happen in a week's time, could happen in a month's time. But we know that if we hold our investment into this coin, that over time it'll rocket back up, which is what we want. And then once it hits our target, we will obviously resell and then reinvest. So this is a little bit of a quick rundown of how to use CoinMarketCap in a basic form to be able to find patterns in these coins to be able to make some good gains. So for example, like this one, obviously I told my students at the time to purchase here because I knew that as soon as it hit that apex down there, it was going to shoot back up. And so it did. Now that we've realized that the coin is, obviously we sold here, the coin's going back down again. We know that once it hits that same point again, it is more or less going to go back up again. So yes, so this is a very, very quick rundown of how to use, obviously, CoinMarketCap. This is going to be your best friend when you're looking at trading because it tells you exactly what the coin is doing, how it's performing, and obviously it gives you a graph not only for the last day or the last week, but obviously a good outlook on this coin throughout the months. All right, perfect. Thank you.